Food Science Investigation: The Mystery of the Flabby Pizza. So, you remember that you had your favorite pizza. It was just out from the oven, nice and warm. You took a bite and it was perfect. The cheese, the pepperoni, but most importantly the pizza bread. With a bit through, you could feel a layer of crunchiness before you penetrated deeper into the chewy, soft, porous bread. Having some left, you decided to keep some for the next day. You hardly went to sleep. You couldn't wait to have another perfect pizza day. The next day, you heated it with microwave to make sure you get the same experience of the warm pizza. But when you held it in your hand, you noticed something different. It felt flabbier. And when you took a bite, you realized that you were right. It was a flabby pizza. Why? I screamed. Here is the food science investigation. When the pizza is just out from the oven, it still has crust on the surface of the bread, a layer where there is not much water, making it drier and harder. Over time, the water from the inside will try to balance the difference. Thus, some will travel to the surface and the crust is gone as it becomes moister and more flexible. With a microwaved pizza, the magnetic wave produced by the microwave makes the water molecule and the pizza jiggle at the same time. It's just like how music makes the people in the room move. The movement then can produce heat by the friction, but also stretches the bread network here and there, making it more flexible. Thus, you have a hot, flabby pizza. With conventional oven, the food is heated differently. The heat source is usually a hot coil. As the heat travels and fills up the chamber, it starts to penetrate the food from its surface, then to the inside. This creates a difference, as the outer layer gets hot faster. Eventually, the water molecules in the outer layer jiggle faster and can leave the food as a vapor. This leaves the bread with a layer of crust, where almost no water molecule is left. The inside part is also heated, but in a lower rate than the outside. The bread network stretched and becomes chewy. So, when you take a bite, you can feel those layers you like. The slight crunchiness on the surface of the pizza bread, then the chewiness as you penetrate deeper. There you go. Now, don't wait to keep some pizza if you can't finish them all.